Hello and welcome to another program of Stuff with me, Hannah. Now, I think everyone will agree when I say I love food. I love to eat. I'm a big girl. I am 1.75 meters tall, and I didn't get this tall by accident, por casualidad. I love food. Apart from food like beef or pasta or rice, I love a good salad. So we're going to prepare a salad together, and I've brought some typical or common ingredients that you would find in a salad. So let's start. First, as a base for salad, we usually use ¿qué? Lechuga, right? Which is lettuce. Lettuce. Now there are different types of lettuce. For example, the typical is iceberg lettuce, or for example, romaine lettuce. But if you're going to choose a lettuce, try to get lettuce that has a lot of color, right? Cuanto más verde, mejor. So the darker colors are better. They have more nutrients. Okay, after lettuce, then we have some ¿qué? We have maíz, corn. Okay, now with corn, it's great to add to a salad because the color contrast is really nice. Green and then yellow. And did you know that with corn, the United States produces almost 50% of the world's harvest of corn? Very interesting. All right, so after corn, we have ¿qué? Oh, asparagus. Asparagus is really nice. Now this is green asparagus, there's white asparagus. There are different types of asparagus. Now this is very healthy because it has a lot of nutritional value and it's used a lot of times for medicinal purposes, como casi medicina. All right, so asparagus is good. Now we have different types of peppers. Okay, so we have a lot of different types of peppers. We have green peppers, red peppers, orange peppers, different types. Now, I have a green pepper here and a red pepper. If you have to choose for higher nutritional value, red pepper has more nutrients and more vitamins. So go with the red pepper. Okay, after peppers, we have tomatoes. Now, I've already cut this one, as you can see, this beautiful tomato. Now, tomatoes mostly are cultivated by agriculturists, is the red tomato. But did you know that tomatoes can also be cultivated in different colors, like pink, black, white, green, even multicolored, con varios colores, or striped, así, con rayas. So if you find a striped tomato, please send it to me here at Stuff because I've never seen a striped tomato, pero existen. All right, so after tomatoes, we have cucumbers. Okay, so this is a cucumber, of course. Now, cucumbers are originally from India, sí, de la India. And we don't say the India, fijaos bien, he dicho que India, simplemente sin the, el artículo. So cucumbers are originally from India. And ¿cómo se dice pepinillos? Right? When we have cucumbers that have been stored in brine or in vinegar, pepinillo is pickle. Okay, so pickle. Pero así cruda. Crudo, pepinillo, just raw and without vinegar is cucumber. Okay, after cucumber we have spinach. Now spinach is very good. It's packed with nutrients and vitamins. So spinach, fijaos bien en la pronunciación, spinach. Just remember Popeye, right? Popeye, he always had spinach before he beat up Brutus. Okay, and we have here an onion, cebolla, onion. Some people like onions in salads and other people don't, so it's up to you. And onions are a great vegetable. I like onions a lot, but they make people cry, right, when you cut them. Sometimes. After you have all the vegetables together, you can add extras, a little bit of grasa or fat, like cheese. There are a lot of different types of cheese. Blue cheese, feta cheese, Parmesan cheese, which is also very nice. Or you can also add avocado, aguacate. I love avocados in salad because it adds a little bit of esa grasilla que necesitas, a little bit of fat. Right? Now, after you have everything together in your salad bowl, what do you have to do? You have to alinear, or you have to add ¿qué? The salad dressing. Now, here in Europe, we use olive oil and vinegar. Olive oil and vinegar, nada más. Un poco de salt and pepper, y poco más. But in the US, we like to use creamier salad dressings like blue cheese, Caesar salad dressing, ranch dressing, salsa ranchera, which is made with buttermilk, and it's very good, but it has a lot of fat. And after you add the salad dressing, you have to get mezclar, or toss the salad, right? So you toss the salad, and as a final step, you can add, ¿qué? Estos. You can add some picas tostes. Picas tostes? Yes, some croutons, which are little bits of bread that have been fried, fritos. Okay, so they have a little bit of fat here. Again, these are extras, pequeñas extras that you can add at the end of a salad after you toss the salad. And it gives a little bit of fat since all the other vegetables have little to no fat. Okay, and apart from croutons, I like to add nuts or almonds. Sesame seeds, those are also nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed my presentation of salads. So go have a salad today. Be healthy. And we'll see you next time on Stuff. Bye-bye.